Hello, guys. My name is Kapsile. Support, guys. I'm at work, but now I knocked off. Now I'm going home. So the reason why I'm doing this video, guys, I just wanna thank you for your support until now. So, guys, I'm here to beg you to subscribe more in my YouTube channel. I see that you are watching my video and you guys like my video. So please, guys, watch and subscribe so we will grow, guys. I really wish to see myself reaching 1000 subscribers, guys. I hope you guys, and I trust you that you're gonna put me there. Please, guys, support me, and I appreciate your support. I also did some prank with my small family. Please enjoy it, guys, and subscribe there. Thank you.